So first we'll take the Laria and we'll add a zero size golden bead in that. You can also take a lock bead if you don't have these golden beads. And then we'll take the agate beads. So I'm taking this yellow color. You can take any other color, pink, blue, and then we'll add Laria. So I'm going to add only three pearl L'Oreals in this. If you want to add more, you can add more also. Now we'll take this cute lotus charm, and in the middle we will add this beads and we'll wrap it perfectly. So make sure that you'll wrap it perfectly, and this is how it looks. And now to the both the sides we'll add the L'Oreals with the help of jump ring. So for that I'm taking this jump ring and we'll add approx around 5 to 6 L'Oreals in this. So if you want to add more, you can add more also, it's totally up to you. And to the both sides we'll add this with the help of jump ring, and make sure to tie it very properly. And we'll add it the both the all four rounds. And in the same way we have to make three more. So I have already made them. This is a pendant of total 4 lotus charms. If you want to add more, like 5 charms, you can add 5 charms also. Then at the end of this hole we'll add a jump ring, and this jump ring we will add to the whole last end of this other lotus, and we'll tie it properly. And in the same way we will tie all the lotus with the jump ring, and this is how our gorgeous pendant is ready. Now we'll do the bead work. So for this I'm taking this gear wire and we'll cut it a little. So you have to use a nail cutter for that. And this much I had cut it. And then again in the last end we'll add this and we'll find a mid. And then we'll take a lock bead now, and we'll insert the lock bead in these both the gear wires, and we'll take it to the end. And then to the end we'll punch it a tightly too, so that it will get locked. Then I'm taking these both beads, like a gate beads and these lock beads. And first I'll add a lock bead, and then we'll add a gate bead, and then again we'll add a lock bead, and so on. So the sequence will be like this. So I'll quickly add these beads and we'll come back to you. So I have added these beads and I have added some zero size golden beads also in this. And then this is a lock bead that I had added now. And then we'll take the 3-hole connector and we'll insert this in the last end. Then we'll fold this gear wire, and we'll remove this end from the lock bead, and we'll bring it to the these beads, and we'll press it firmly to lock it. So this is how we have to add the connector. So I have added it for the both, and this is how it looks. Now we'll add the this lobster hook with the help of jump ring. If you want to add the necklace dori also, you can add that one too. It's totally up to you. If like somebody is not comfortable with the lobster hook or S-shape hook, you can add the necklace dori. And to the next end we'll add a bunch of jump rings, so that we can just attach it anywhere and it will be easy to attach a lobster hook. So yeah, that's it. And make sure to tie it very properly with the help of plier only. So with this necklace set is ready. And yeah, tada. This looks so cute and fancy and very good to wear for the parties and wedding functions. And this the same way I made these earrings, and I take this glue which is easily available in the hardware store, that you just have to go to the hardware store and ask for the glue. And that's it. With this, how this necklace is ready. Tada.